What's up, everybody? I just want to let you guys see exactly how I eat during the day. I know you guys think I eat a lot of junk food, which I do, but I like to keep clean meals in there as well. You know, there's a time to have a little junk, and there's a time you got to keep it clean if you want to stay lean. Who got rhyme too, don't it? Woo, well, check this out. Crack myself up sometime, but check this out, y'all. I cut up a chicken breast, season it with my favorite seasoning salt, Lawrence seasoning salt. You know, as you know, I never cut my sodium. A lot of people cut their sodium, old school people who do all of that. All my clients and myself, you know, we don't cut sodium around here. You know, it help keeps you full. But anyway, get back to the chicken breast. I cut up a chicken breast. I like to cut my chicken breast up instead of trying to cook it whole like a lot of people do. You know, I like to cut it up in chunks, and it makes it easy to cook, you know, that way, and it, you know, cooks, you know, and it keeps it pretty moist, you know, versus when you have it a full chicken breast. So I like to cut it up. Got my pans on here, getting warm. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I eat, you know, during the day when I'm home. And I want to show you how to stay in good condition. You know, when you're home and can't go to the gym and work out, I'm gonna show you, you know, these are the type of meals that you need to eat. You know, a lot of people think you can just eat how you normally eat, or even when I'm dieting, I can't even eat like that if I want to stay in shape because I'm eating a lot of calories and a lot of carbs. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, so I put my chicken breast in there. And I'm gonna let that cook. And spread it out here, you know, so each piece can cook evenly. And then I'm gonna show you how I eat my rice. This is even when I'm dieting, all the way up to the Olympia, all the way up to the Arnold, whatever show I'm doing, this is how I eat my chicken, seasoned, and with my rice, and how I cook my rice. So there's a new rice that I found. These are not none of my rices that I like. I think I'm out of them. Oh, here's one. I got a lot of different rices, y'all. But this Tasty Bites organic basmati rice, you know, see that? This is one of my favorites. 90 seconds, you pop it into the microwave. This is organic, you know, very good rice. Bring it up a little bit. Cook that for 1.5 minutes. Right? So I got my pan on over here as well because I like to fry my rice. And sometimes when I want to get creative, you know, I would put onions in there and carrots and what have you, just like regular fried rice. And not even add shrimp in there sometimes when I have some laying around. So I'm trying to get all of them turned over, make sure they all cook evenly. I don't know why all you jokers think I eat something different from you. I eat the same food everybody else eat. I ain't got no secret food that's making me win all these shows and nothing like that, you know. Same foods you guys eat, I eat. So my rice is about done here. Nice and moist. And what I like to do here, add my ham spray. Drop that rice in there, like so. Just like that. Add a little salt. Pepper. Like I said, I like to add, you know, when I want to get creative or when I get tired of eating the same shit, you know, what I'll do is I add some onions and some carrots to this, Brussels sprouts, whatever you want to add to it. And I can't believe it's not butter. Can't go crazy with this because, you know, they got hidden ingredients in there. But since I'm the blade, I use as much as I want to use, you know, so y'all just watch the amount you put on yours because there are hidden, you know, ingredients in a lot of this shit. So, but that's about as much as I use anyway. So let's take my soy sauce here. I put a stove, I like a gas stove much better than this. Thing takes forever, you cut it up too high, then it like burns and shit, so. But we have to do it. Do the best I can with this. See that rice? Add a little bit more of this. Rice is about done. Now we're waiting on this slow ass chicken. All right, so the rice is done. You're just waiting on the chicken now. There we go. So I like to get a little get my chicken a little dark coat on it. So it looks like it's been grilled, you know. So now it's pretty much done, but there's a couple areas that I'm very picky about. So I got to make sure all my shit is done all the way. That's why you see me setting it, switching it up, putting on all sides of the piece of chicken. You guys wanted to see me cook? Well, there you go. A full cooked meal. Like that. Can't go without this. Best barbecue sauce in the world right there, y'all. Vegan barbecue sauce. Gotta have that dipping sauce. Now the chicken is done. There you have it. Simple. Nice, good, tasting, you know what I'm saying, meal. I eat this a couple times a day, and on off season, I usually eat like 4 clean meals and 2, dirty meals or what have you. But or 5 clean and 1 dirty. That keeps me in good shape on off season, So here's a meal that when you can't get to the gym, or you need, because you can't do cardio, but you're trying to stay in shape at the house, because like I said before, if you eat all these dirty meals and eat what you want to eat, you're going to end up getting fat, okay? Get you a good low carb meals that's going to keep you from, getting fat or whatever, and you'll be fine. So just to let you guys know, I have meal only plans, okay? Nutrition only plans, not including workouts. That's much cheaper than, a full nutrition and workout plan. So if you guys want to hit me up and you want to get on a good, nutrition plan only, hit your boy up. I'll take care of you. All right, now I got to get this food down. God bless everybody. Stay safe and stay in the house. Peace.